Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1978 Pontiac Formula Firebird. Now this beautiful car has been restored. I don't have the paperwork, so I don't know exactly how long ago it was restored, but it still shows very, very nice today, so I'm guessing it wasn't restored too long ago. Beautiful 400 under the hood. From the paperwork that I've read on the car, it is the correct coded and correct date coded 400 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, power steering and brakes. It's got disc brakes up front. I put the newer style 17-inch PMDs on this car. I think they look great. When I brought the car in, it had a set of chrome torque thrusts on it. I thought either these or the correct PMD wheels that would have been on it from the factory. I guess that's anyone's choice. I'm sure you could probably find a set and trade somebody out for these. It is a beautiful car. The paint, body, and interior are very, very nice. When they restored the car, they restored it the right way. They did the interior, they did the seats, the carpeting, the headliner, the package tray. And if they haven't restored it, it's one awesome unrestored car. It's a 64,000 original mile car. There's a binder full of paperwork. See, there's the car with those wheels on it. Why wouldn't they left them on it? I like those better than the chrome torque thrust. But there's all the PHS stuff's in here. There's all kinds of paperwork in this album. It tells about all the different options on the car. Some neat facts in there, I guess. It is super, super clean inside. The dash pad's very nice. The dash, and it could be original interior, but the seats sure feel like it. If it is, man, I tell you, this is one great survivor. Wipers work, horn works, lights work, dash lights. See, that one's just lit up just a little bit when it's not on. Blower motor works, radio works. I don't know which button to turn. There it goes. Blast us out of here. Anyway, it works. Don't exactly know. Lighter feels like it's hot. Nice little console. All the seat belts are intact. Side markers. rated these cars at like, what, 210 horsepower or something like that. I think that was extremely underrated. Calculating there with their 200 horsepower. This car runs really well. I'm sure the engine's been built up a little bit more than stock too, but runs great, drives great. Just a beautiful car. Why that green light was lit up there too on the dash when I had the lights on it, but that bulb isn't working. Man, I wish they'd fix that. I know I say that all the time. I wish they would. Walk around here for you. '78 Pontiac Formula Firebird. Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So if you're interested in purchasing this gorgeous 78 Formula Firebird, give us a call. Again, 563-452-2450. And if you have not hit the subscribe button to our channel, please do that now. I appreciate all of my subscribers. A lot of people watch a lot of my videos. Car runs very, very well. It drives nice too. Drive the car with one finger down the road. Again, Kinion Classic Cars, give us a call today, 563-452-2450. Talk to you guys soon.